Welcome inside to some of my seed starting cups. These are paper cups with the bottoms almost cut, just a couple of little flaps keeping them on, in coffee mugs to start my seeds. And yes, I got this from Robbie and Gary Gardening Easy's channel. Thank you, Robbie. And this is before I started I'm going to try the tool method in the cup later. So here's what I planted. I planted these 9 days ago on February 26th. Today is March the 7th. This is borage, nothing yet. There's cabbage, garlic chives, nothing. Purple tree collard, we'll see if that's really what it is. Hera dill. Back over here, blue curly kale, nothing yet. I've got one little yellow sweet onion growing. Those are sugar snap peas. They're excited. Then I have poblano peppers, nothing. Red sweet peppers, nothing. California Wonder. Yellow California Wonder sweet peppers, nothing. Purslane, yes, I got that idea from Robbie and Gary Gardening Easy. Nothing yet on the sage. I have thyme. These are a red cherry tomato, and these are sweetie tomatoes, which I have grown here before. So those are my indoor seeds. I think my sugar snap peas are going to be ready to harden off starting this weekend. And I'm not sure about the cabbage. I don't mind the plants being leggy, but it's still getting down into the 30s at night. So I think the peas would be okay and any of the brassica family, but the rest of it's going to stay in here for a while. I may have to pot to a larger one. I haven't shown my indoor plants for a while. Here are the 3 Ataulfo mango, also known as honey mango, trees or plants that I started last year from the pits. This is the ginger. I bought it in the autumn and brought it in rather than trying to harvest it. And then I brought in my turmeric, but I waited too long. And so I just have whatever was left sitting in here. And it sure didn't look like actual turmeric. It looked like all that was left were just the roots. I didn't see any rhizome. So we'll see how that goes. I will be putting it outside once it gets warm enough. And I am going to move the Ataulfo mangoes outside when it gets warm enough. I don't know that this one will survive. It's got some ugly stuff on it, so I don't know what that's all about, but I think it might be trying to grow leaves up here, so we'll see. This one has new growth down here, and they just don't have enough space to send roots, and it's really hard to keep them moist enough but not soggy, because these are those peat moss things that I didn't know any better than to use, but each of them is in a plastic container. So we'll see how that goes. And yes, I have kitty litter on top as a mulch to try and keep the little fruit fly type things down. Well, there's indoors.